Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to add Klarna to Shopify. Are you looking for an easy guide on how to add Klarna to your Shopify? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, first thing is to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, look at the bottom left side and click on Settings. Inside Settings, click on Payments and scroll down until you see Add Payment Methods and click on it. On the next page, type Klarna on the search bar and select it. It's that simple. Now, Klarna has been added as a payment method in your Shopify account. All you need to do now is to click on Activate for you to be able to start using it. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.